The medical director of NHS England says the mass vaccination programme for COVID-19 starting this week marks the beginning of the end.
The whole world has been waiting to hear, spoken just moments ago to CNN. It is the start of the end.
And people will get jabs in their arms probably at the beginning of next week. And he did also indeed say that he believes that this could be the beginning of the end.
What will be the start of the biggest immunisation programme in the country's history.
This feels like the beginning of the end.
So tomorrow, the UK begins history's biggest ever vaccination program, marking perhaps the beginning of the end.
Tomorrow is V-Day, when we roll out the coronavirus vaccine across the whole of the UK, and it's the beginning of the end.
Before knowing whether these vaccines would be successful, it was a novel approach indeed to vaccine development led by President Trump. The results of these historic investments will benefit the American people and will mark the beginning of the end.
So as a country, we have spent the last 9 months riddled with a lot of fear, with rampant lockdowns across the country, all due to a tragic global pandemic. And today we marked the beginning of the end.
I'm hopeful that all of us in the Senate will look back on what we accomplished 9 months ago with the unanimous passage of the CARES Act, look at the need and the suffering in our states, and look forward. We are at the beginning of the end.
Dr. Smith, thank you for all the work. You and I and our medicine cabinet of folks and all your colleagues. Thank you.
Laura, I think this is the beginning of the end.
Our collaborative team of global health experts wants to bring about the beginning of the end.
Now, the approval for human clinical trial for two made-in-India COVID-19 vaccine candidates, that's Covaxin as well as ZY-CoV-D, that marks the beginning of the end.
This vaccine is exciting because I believe this is the weapon that will end the war. It's the beginning of the last chapter of the book.
והיכולת של הקופות בארץ לבצע את המשימה אומרת לנו שאנחנו כנראה נוכל להקדים. תודה רבה.
Those recommendations mark nothing less than the beginning of the countdown to the end of Netanyahu's political life.